Hi everyone, good morning to you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to go straight to the program this hour, and it's not funny, and also it's funny because two things happened that I want to share with us this morning. In fact, I may come back later in the day, hopefully, if I have any chance before fundraising or something like that. I would like to stream live to touchlight more on this if time permits, or maybe another topic. I cannot just guarantee you that because anything can happen here. We always follow it based on what is the one that is more important to bring out. I will dish it out sharply. But this morning, somebody called my attention about the cries of Lasuba. I was like, another cry. I thought she just cried a few days ago about PM visitation to PM in Finland and how vacations are rather in Finland, which regard many people, and we have written on that. And I thought that cry has ended. Although I have not officially bring that video. If you remember yesterday, last night, I made mention that there's a video I want to react on, but you have spent 2 hours. Let me just open my for people to contribute. That was the video I wanted to talk about, but I'm gonna come back on that later. So I don't know how we're gonna manage, this thing today because today is fundraising. But be it as it may, we are going to go through everything. Okay. I just pray that time will permit us to do that, to do justice to all those things. Yesterday, Gentle Yahoo appeared, his first sent message, voice note to Lasuba and the Kukun Nafa and all that. Then, as if that is not enough, he appeared on Mazakwa's platform. Okay? Yesterday was like, wow. In Mazakwa platform, people started donating money and promising and all that. Gentle was there sending message genuinely to everyone. Now, listen. What I noticed that Mazakwa and his group, Lasuba and their group, let me just call them what they say they are. Mazakwa said that they are CRC and the BGC Republic, right? Which AKA for Deeper Republic. The Nogengre and their group say that they are Briggy and their own Briggy is just like the Briggy of the Briggy. You know what I mean? But they are AKA Fallback Republic. People with forgery and altering. According to our barrister. Barrister, shout out to you. Then we have another group. Another group called Autopilot Reactivated. That one comprises of Lasuba and the Kukuna and remaining Jews. These are the people that decided to go gaga against USB declared. Now, what they don't know is that Gentle, for example, see the guy Gentle sees everybody as the same. He don't care. Tomorrow he can be here. Tomorrow the other day he can be here, and Gentle don't care about the anger they are nursing against themselves. Gentle is they are all over the place. They are visiting them. I've not seen Gentle, in anybody other platform like USB Independent Media or any other person. They just capitalize on these people. All right. I don't know why. Reason best known to them. Okay. Now, these guys are fighting each other. Cecilia and their group on my platform claiming that the Gentle and Igwe Botoso is for them. Even though when Gentle and their group make decision, they don't bother about what their APM said. For example, Sit at Home is hereby cancelled, they said few weeks ago. All right. Now, even though they have reassessed it and they said they have changed their opinion on that, but Ogenkere and their group claim that these guys are for them. They are the one that are working with them. They don't know about CRC. In other hands, Butozo and Gentle and other commanders are visiting Imam Adabo and in their own fundraising. Lasuba and the Gugu now, due to their ones are going to back, they are now in autopilot. They are here to welcome them. The only contact they have is from time to time, Gentle, they send voice messages to them If I don't know if they're the one requesting their contact, I don't know how they're getting in contact with these guys. I don't know. They are the one approaching them. I don't know if they're approaching I don't know who's approaching each other, but I know there's communication between them to men on ground, Lasuba and the Biafran Disunite and Remedy Juice. The same thing with Mazakwa. But one thing these guys have in common is that they don't have brain to understand that those soldiers contacted them don't even see the other ones as their enemy. They are just living their life normally. They don't care. You are fighting among yourself, they don't care. But these two guys are the one fighting each other, fighting themselves, thinking that Butuzo is for them alone, not for the other ones. So now listen, I don't know what is going on, in their camp. But yesterday, Lasuba could not hold back her anger. Okay, because a foolish person is always a foolish person. Now I want you to watch this. Pay attention. Listen. This is Gentle when he appeared. Okay, and hear what he said.
Many of them is gone.
Now, when Lasuba noticed that Gentle is in their platform, what did she do? She started sharing the video. At the end part, I will tell you why I remind you, why I just mentioned what I said now, that she started sharing the video on her own platform without the permission of Maza Kwao. Again.
They have died. Many of them have died. They remain few people. They don't die. You guess what? 500 million naira came to judiciary. One night we could enter the contract. 500 million. 500 million. They go to judiciary. One night we could enter. And out of the 500 million. First payment was made 20 million naira. 20 million naira. He got you open area. Open area to DSS and Tiger Bay. DSS and Tiger Bay is called for 10 million naira. 10 million naira where they are. Oh, you very bad. That's 5 million. That's 500 million naira was paid by this other effect. From where Tiger Base commander. That other harvester from where Tiger Base commander.
Lasuba is here folding hand, listening very, very carefully. But after making this is direct message from Gentle, telling you that encounter the people that are buying people that are committing atrocities in our land and all that, people that themselves are engaging. None of these soldiers have mentioned Dr. Abese to be involved in all this, crooked movement from Nigerian government and Nigerian army and all that. They have not said anything in that aspect. But Lasuba from time to time saying that DPM is the one working and committing all this crime. She's here hearing it directly from Gentle now. Tomorrow she will be the one that she will start telling that don't go to the base. Nebu buy not what and the DSS now record. That many of you have listen to her making that claim. But from the Gentle speech now, you will not hear anything like that. Not at all. Listen.
That 500 million was paid in his account. The Tiger Base and the DSS of Nigeria squad out the money. Unless the Madabuchi and what the anything for 1 naira.
Unless Madabuchi. I never heard this name before. Unless Madabuchi, I go to Gentle. The guy is involved in bringing this calamity to people. Now listen. Lasuba is there here, You will never hear Lasuba mention Ernest Madabuchi. Not at all. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Hey, very good. They will promise you heaven and earth, but at the end we got lost. promise you heaven and earth. At the end, you got lost.
At the same thing, aside of Bombay, Obi, you know, now we share that. Ego fight where you throw in. And look, yes.
I'm going to because I'm an Yanolicia, and I will be the one to expose them. And I will be the one to scatter them. And I am scattering them. Most of them are as well, or he am the so most of them are who you are. So, women would have flooded the kind of leaders in there. As in the would have forgot the kind of leaders full of assassination. People that question that every day go. But if President Haley your job, I heard those. There you go. There will live. My brother, my people, the reason why even my village was throwing allegation on me that time. Because they escalated the news that they brought 500 billion. Because everyone wants to partake in that money.
Hey!
Everybody wants to partake in that money. That's why the allegations in for once. When they buy it, they need your help. They need your help. Feed them and feed them. Now Okigwa is calm. Everywhere now is calm in Okigwa. Everywhere is calm in Okigwa. And I am so much happy for that. All one of you with ready peace. In Okigwa. Not most of them. Not the chairman of local government. I brought the peace in Okigwa and I made it. And open a job like I share, I'm not many atom of war. Any atom of war in Okigwa. Hey, she left the village. I'm not. If you're tired of the Alabama or now, or people get better off, that's okay. Everywhere gas cutter. Yeah, but I got money to go to war.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I got money to go to war. I can never be afraid of that. If you die, you die. If you don't die, you die. Why will you see the way to fight and actualize your freedom and you be afraid? Why will you be afraid of that? So, dear friends, we are still standing with the Baghdadi bomb.
Yeah. And now there's the beacon who donated. And now
knows of the other. But there is one but all the local I will not get up in no wash campaigns. You can't be no struggle. Man of grand welfare of Biafra. But all the other social and make it up in the matter of like this. But I ask when you talk, oh, it's a woman. Where to place we go market or to buy or where to market it. That's what I'm and the plan, yeah. And the Boko Haram, 117 terrorists repented. They regretted the military. Actually, they were in the where I would have allowed it. Jericho Munadi military, where Chica has some visa for us. Wherever I had order, stop. That was what was doing us.
stand down.
The Roman stand down. How did you get a West Republic like a
He said,
I must expose them. They have done a lot of evils. And evils need to wake up. This is time for revolution.
yes.
This is time for revolution. Evils need to stand up. They have done a lot to us. When I was having a Nigerian army, I escaped from Sambisa Forest. I was the Igbo throughout the Igbo. And when I was Yoruba view, I made match. It is Sambisa Forest. Sambisa Forest. At the middle, they have let go. They have set their men, all those terrorists. They have set them up. Every time they middle, they will order you. Don't move and don't shoot yet. Right. Don't move, don't shoot yet. A government have plan, I don't think should be a more tanker. The government have plan, I don't think a more tanker. And that will destroy. The government there before you know it's all. They are one more. The China person have MSK. They will be free. And I am using this wonderful opportunity also to appeal to our people in the military because that was the same message that there was given to us then, that if you go out of this military, it is your same people that's your same people that will kill you. My brothers and sisters, we cannot kill any one of you. Come back when the space is there for you. Come out when the space is there for you. Come and join your people with uniform to fight against your own people. That was Bala already. Igbo Igbo, if I got any one of my being, when you know where you get to Adumam, allow you to be. Now, what I get a little behind the very. Okay, we want to Mamma. Igbo, Sana, Gobi Kubana, Latin Priso, he can she rally in the Bariba. Uruba Sahara, what of land is getting 50,000. You go your Bahia 55,000. Gagoria, you develop their own states. In your own state, you never develop anything, you never done anything in your own state. And you think you're saying that you are wise. Tell me where your wiseness is. Tell me your wiseness. Oh, yeah. The chief of Boko Haram, Shetima.
You will hear what Lasuba will say after this, so don't worry. You hear the cry.
We are ashamed of our people. We are ashamed. The shame of our people, they shame us. Those that doesn't understand. We are winning the war. Exactly. And we are really appreciating all of you for the effort and every other thing. So because when you are winning that, we are calling on you people right away.
Tomorrow, we have a town hall tomorrow. Yes. Bangidibam is inviting you to join this town hall. We're going to meet up immediately after this program. Join the town hall tomorrow and bless this your gallant warrior. Yes. Tomorrow town hall. Every message you send is going straight through Biafra, and everything goes to them. Yes. Everything. Yes. Without I can't teach you.
General, I greet you all. You don't get the road. Allah Biafra, Allah Nigeria. Allah Biafra belongs to Igbo people. It belongs to Biafra. All are Igbos, please. And I am.
Let's mention I can't go to without it in I can't check. I'm okay with check. I'm not gonna the studio or the share screen. I'm not never now go without it in I can't check. They go going.
Let Igbos come together. Let us find what is after us. Let us come together. Let what is after us. We don't get them the road.
Now listen. Now Lasuba now Lasuba here. Because yesterday, okay, in that video that I told that we're gonna write on, you will hear Biafra Unite saying that he's going to come, which is I think yesterday, okay, that's gonna come later to address something. They were planning on how to launch fundraising for men on ground. And Lasuba was dancing and jubilating that now I was going on this because they said that announcement that sit at home is will continue from Gentle. But Gentle did not tell them that I have an appointment, I'm going to appear in the MSR platform. So the cry of Lasuba starts from here. Pay attention, listen.
We have I am with the invite to interview with the now message our angel I am the most important. Oh no nanya one of you could not be alive yesterday.
I told you.
Yes. And on watch on if I yesterday.
Negative.
Now that's a program I made.
Program.
That's yesterday.
And that program.
Kono whatever say. One of them the happy. I can do it. She anya because he had the master and the monk.
Okwasi, odoka happy obina. The problem here is that Nanda another follow. If I bola, I'm going to work if I get you with that go does I could not plancha. Ka Maza rush you with I don't know. Overthrow them from this one. And family number ways because Gentle appeared by himself and said it there direct. Live and direct. And Kabos where Nazo. Lasuba couldn't bear it, and he said this.
Omazia, we fed the number because here's not the bad France open. Obosia down.
Now this month I don't do my mother at all.
Prince will help with the only way AAC will take on a room as a hacker.
Okay.
Every solution to destroy it.
Now, does Nick and destroy it? No, how I am could have been game at the The same thing no gonna USB. Fabio cable one. Ngozi, how can you do that? Oh, Brunelli. Okay, get the same thing. The only person who guy who not say go. Why you putting on the couple? Because I
in your mazia, in will take our angels. Everything you will destroy. All that Nana to a God, and then the angels direct to their destiny. I am one also. Manina too, when they young mother, I will never support that rubbish.
Now, for you to for money person, then they got to an account and about the simply means that you have access to the account. What is your what is your evidence to back what you are claiming? This is what this one have been saying. Imagine what about the dragging, this one that drag the USB government, drags US. Now to go near. The queer bar. Pay close attention.
Support that rubbish. I will never. It can never make when he email or email when I could not or yeah.
If I have a rule again, I go again.
Yes. Now, what was your also? I go my reading here.
Always like this.
Program yesterday. If I'm in how people see Aurora and how evil people.
Oh, see, how is evil now?
Down. And
wait,
I can never.
How is evil now? August has not a USB installed to disconnect them from USB. To disconnect men on ground from USB government. It's not evil. What goes around comes around. Okay, if you need this smart, if you need the call, they get to with men on ground. Man, so I can go all over the Anayana. And don't ever get that I can never do what. Just let her say it before I tell you what will happen next.
Because of attitude of some people or sabotage of our people, and then imagine it if we're mad at now. If they go live for if they're happy and they only hear Thomas in this stuff, they get this life. It's not good for you.
When you say security advice, and this security is not good for you, they're gonna track you. They're gonna get sick and yeah.
Don't go to social media again for now. Now it is even on social media, not some minutes. You need it here. You don't need it. Any message you only send the Biafras, send the try to say send the on the man. All these people are their agents of darkness. I can assure you. One of them made mistake by coming out on social media for hours. They are tracking it. they will track you. Omola system they jiro.
Okay, na address. Can say the message can plug in the phone. Can say that is what she have been doing this for years, for long now. Now, always money that thing. Oh, now I got track again. Now I track again. I got track again. On the cool here, don't want let them not come out, but just believe it or not. Very soon, the same men on ground will come on her own platform and talk. Because the only way to attract what they want, which is Biafra donating money to them, so they cannot present themselves that they're the one championing and supervising or spearheading everything about men on ground. They also need men on ground to come to their platform and speak. Because Mazakwa and their group are not taking the flag, taking the lead. Of course, all the other hands are going to push them to welcome them in their platform. Before you know it, 3 different dispute groups will be dragging, who is in charge and who is not in charge. So our own, our own is to share it and let you know what is going on. Because now Joro USB ordered. If you get an atas in there, I want Joro USB ordered. Will out of them far away, all of them will make change USB. Or I have to listen and not taxi. This is the Yaba. Again.
Whatever technology they zero. Nigeria have that money to get that technology. Anybody now say for Tabia, no, the only thing I need is that money. Obviously.
How can the same man on Grand Castle send a message through phone? Oh, technology had that all that time. I get put online back woku. Put online back woku. I follow you. Again.
And they got I ain't go to me, no way go to me. Because we went to
the same ego no open na USB di no ego go ka ego send atu go bring book no jack for na because ego why I don't blame her somehow. I blame her, but I don't actually blame her somehow. Why? Men on ground need to do better. You don't associate yourself with this kind of person. It doesn't. No matter whoever you want to associate with yourself, but if you why it's such a, they need to define their boundary with her.
My brother, stop. Others now. I want to tell you.
Oh, if that everything. This kind of nonsense mindset. Only me. I am the only one. The same thing them. I am the brigadier. I am the one in charge of head office. Criminals everywhere.
Negative. To talk to Biafrans. Before Biafrans say donate, go down, please. They are not teaching you.
If you had to report, I'm not about a man. Do a claim on the word if you have. No, I'm saying it based on the encounter, your actions when men on ground or with USB government. You pretend to be a cabinet member in USB. Every conversation, everything, you go and corrupt their mind. That God is not sending you anything, send them anything. She's not sending them anything. For months now, what have you done to send something to them? Nothing. And we are actually doing the same thing. If I am to be gentle or anybody, I will give a serious warning. My name or anything about me should not come out from your mouth again. Focus on your life, because you are a very, very useless human being. Very, very useless. Again.
Sure. I don't want to tell you. If I ever came to this life,
Oh, my was I have another again above her black walk. How could go back home? How about the man will go out to where I forget and I say, go to talk about walk. You said it before. Now, against
that person as the highest saboteur.
I'm not
happy. I can never hide myself. I don't pretend.
They put that I am happy. That did not have to come again. I am happy that you. I'm happy for that you are here, but don't come here again. So don't come here again, meaning that you don't want to be happy again. Since you are happy, you just announce that you are happy. Now, Oku is saying, now you are not happy. How can you be happy? I know you are not happy. Everybody knows that you are not happy. Now listen.
But it is not because of the my platform.
Oh yeah, come. No. That's exactly what it is. You, I don't know, Mazakwa are all the same. What is the difference between you and Mazakwa? Apart from Ekuwakwa, maybe you know again as Mazakwa boy, oh yeah, ebe na afra akwa ọkọ na eke na-enu akwa ya were ya na owe ya na-akwụwa. Oh, dịka na-ebugo eke ọgba ifugon ife dị common ka nkụ ị na-aghọta eke ọgba na-enu akwa gụwa na ya na owe ya na-akwụwa akwa. ọ bụrụ gị ikwu na agwa gị na enyi ka ọ bịara ka wike simenti ife emere na if na no get joint brokers when guest is coming to address is coming to dress Biafra, our angels is coming to dress Biafra. Then if I need to get an bo now my god if I could yesterday not the past. Oh my god, because you once you could go nagi suggest they need also to come to our platform and you will surface and begin to do that as well. Listen.
Everything you go do because in a book one of my monitor van movement, body movement. I watch him. Oh, van walk with Tebe and if you monitor van body movement, he are mad at now all the Nana.
I swear that last night I said that this woman know what I'm going to do. Eggman is a bad man. That nobody is disputing that, but I cannot just entertain. I can't just entertain Lasuba's claim on anybody because she's another disease, a different pandemic on its own. I think I called this woman a pandemic some time ago. You are just a different pandemic on its own. Like people should just quarantine because of this woman. People should start quarantine. People should start quarantining themselves because of this one. Like, if you come across, I need to go and quarantine for 14 days because her presence and contact with you will make you to, you will pass that disease on other people without knowing. Pure pandemic. That's why anybody that come across her, is either you end up making a very stupid, senseless decision, or you begin to think like her. You begin to flip-flop anytime. Mention her friends. Just one. Someone that have stayed with her maybe 3 months, 4 months, then mention one and go and check their character. Those of our brothers that have touch of stupidity before, they came across her and they have never remained the same. E.g. who? Equal to a. What I mean by E.g. is the example. Okay, now listen.
He's the best friend of Ebek Odike.
Maza Patana Woyo. He has sworn about it that he's not nothing about Ebek Odike. I'm not here to talk about it, but I find it difficult to believe that Mazakwa is a friend of Ebek Odike than you that is constant. You are constant in communication with Ebek Odike. He's sending you. I send it. I don't know who is the friend. Who's supposed to be the friend there? Who's the enemy here? Is it you that is going to get passing every information through? Like I said, please, my people, I'm gonna end this video now. But before then, in other hands, she's not the only one crying. She's not the only one crying. We have another person that her own cry no be here, but she's crying in a kind of in a civilized way. Read this post before you now. This is from, where is the post now? Come on. This post is from who? Okay, look at it here. I was like, what happened? Okay, read Eunice. Eunice is here with her own stupidity. 3 hours ago, she's crying about the same thing because Fallback Republic and Lasuba autopilot, agitators. Who would have believed that these guys will fall back from more, fall back from grass to from grass to grass, and not only grass. If you decide to dig ground to fall into the pit and all that, come on. Now listen, Eunice said this. Okay, she said, please make sure you collect all the money from Adono. Make sure no penny from any Biafran is left with her when they make their contributions, because the work to be done is enormous. Yes, collect every penny. Make sure you collect all the all the Californians' money. She hijacked. Yes, what you don't know is bigger than you. Until suspicious mood. But oh, they got work, this woman, oge in skirt. Oh, yeah, enough here. Oge in skirt. Honestly, but I'm surprised anyway how we have this kind of, how God jam packed all these people, in one place called Biafra land. But God knows the best. I'm not here to question God. Please let me know what you think about all discussed so far. I want you to share the video and spread it to many platforms of your choice. You can like the video if you don't mind. I want you to click on the like button. Like I told you, we may come back and discuss this one later in fullness. I have not done an reaction on it. There are other things to talk about this video that has nothing to do with men on ground, though, because I'm not going to talk about men on ground and their activities. But the one in public like this, there's nothing wrong to share it. Then we may not come back to it for now because we have other things to cover if time permits us. Please make sure you like the video, like I said, and see you again. God bless you. Good morning to you. Bye bye for now.